Give your orchids these leaves, and they will bloom all year round. They will amaze you with large, beautiful flowers, so many that you'll lose count. New buds will keep appearing, and stems will grow fuller each day. You'll also see plenty of new, healthy roots. The right fertilizer will not only strengthen your orchids, but also stimulate their blooming. Used regularly, it works wonders. A simple yet powerful fertilizer can be made from these leaves, bay leaves. Use about 10 of them, crush them, and place them in a container. Add 3 tablespoons of rice, then pour in half a liter of boiling water. Cover the container and let it sit for 2 to 3 hours. After that, blend the mixture and strain the liquid through a sieve. Add 2.5 liters of water. Use this fertilizer to water your orchids, making them healthier, stronger, and full of blooms. This solution is rich in essential minerals like potassium, calcium, and magnesium. You can also wipe or spray orchid leaves with this fertilizer. No matter how you use it, your orchid will thrive, grow beautifully, and bloom abundantly. Put this under the orchid's roots, and it will reward you with new blooms. It's a true treasure for gardeners. Don't throw away potato peels. Put them into a small jar and pour warm water over them. They're a free source of potassium, phosphorus, and iron. Leave them for 1 day. After that, strain the mixture and dilute it with a glass of water. The prepared solution can be used in several ways. Soak a cotton pad in the liquid and wrap it around the orchid stem. A great method to awaken dormant buds. Make sure the compress stays slightly moist. Spraying it once a week is enough. You can also soak a cotton pad and gently wipe the leaves to restore their shine and freshness. And if you want to strengthen the roots, simply water them with the liquid. This natural elixir nourishes the orchid, boosts its immunity, and stimulates growth. Within a few weeks, you'll notice the difference. The leaves will become more vibrant, and the buds will begin to awaken, all thanks to the humble potato, which can truly work wonders. These fertilizers will make your Anthurium bloom beautifully. Anthurium is a stunning plant with distinctive, glossy flowers that thrives with proper care. Today, I'll show you 2 simple fertilizers you need to try. The first is a coffee grounds fertilizer. Coffee grounds not only provide essential nutrients but also improve soil structure and help retain moisture. Add 2 tablespoons of used coffee grounds to a container, then pour in 1 liter of water. Stir well and let it sit for an hour. Pour 1 cup of the mixture into the pot. Use this fertilizer every 2 weeks. The second fertilizer is a yeast mixture. Dissolve 10 grams of yeast in 1 liter of lukewarm water. Yeast is an excellent fertilizer that supports plant growth, especially for those needing a good supply of nutrients. Let the mixture sit for an hour, then pour 1 cup into the pot. Use this fertilizer every 2 weeks as well to keep your Anthurium healthy and blooming. Regular use of both fertilizers will significantly improve your plant's condition, giving it the best environment to grow and flower. You'll be amazed by the results. 1 tablespoon can replace 22 pounds of orchid fertilizer. From now on, you no longer need to buy expensive fertilizers. This simple mixture works just as well as specialized products, delivering exceptional results. Start with 2 tablespoons of sugar. Sugar promotes the growth of beneficial microorganisms in the soil, which supports better orchid development. Next, add 3 small teaspoons of potato starch, which provides essential nutrients, potassium, phosphorus, and calcium. These elements are crucial for healthy growth and beautiful blooming. Now, add 1 tablespoon of turmeric. Turmeric acts as a natural fungicide, protecting the plant from diseases and helping it absorb nutrients more efficiently. Next, prepare a blender. Add all the ingredients, pour in 2 cups of water, and blend thoroughly to combine them. Once blended, dilute the concentrate with an additional 4 cups of water. To use this fertilizer, measure 1 cup of the mixture and dilute it in about 1.3 gallons of water. Use this solution to water your orchids and spray it on their substrate. This natural fertilizer provides excellent support for orchid growth, helping them stay healthy and bloom beautifully. I know exactly what geraniums should eat. Here are 5 fertilizers you should use on your geraniums, and they'll reward you with full, vibrant blooms all season long. To make the first one, grab a larger container. Pour in half a cup of milk and 1 cup of water. Transfer the mixture into a bottle and store it in the fridge. Water your geraniums with this solution up to 3 times a month. It's rich in calcium, magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus. Next up, eggshells. They're packed with calcium and work great as a natural fertilizer. Crush them with your hands or a pestle and mix them into the soil around your plants. They'll help maintain a strong and healthy root system. The third one is a banana peel fertilizer. Chop up a banana peel into small pieces and mix it into the soil near your flowers. Banana peels are high in potassium, which supports flowering and plant growth. For the fourth fertilizer, use yeast. Dissolve about 1½ tablespoons of fresh yeast in 4 cups of warm water and let it sit for an hour. Then simply water your geraniums with it. Yeast contains nutrients that can boost your plant's immunity against diseases and pests. And finally, wood ash. Take 2 tablespoons of ash and mix it into a 4-cup pitcher of water. Stir well and water your plants immediately. You can also sprinkle the ash directly into the soil. It improves soil structure and adds minerals. Wood ash also has antifungal properties and can help protect your plants from fungal diseases. With these simple natural fertilizers, your geraniums will be lush, healthy, and as colorful as Grandma's balcony garden. And trust me, your neighbor will be jealous.
Just 1 teaspoon of this spice is enough for orchids to be covered in flowers. This trick is used by orchid growers. Thanks to it, their flowers bloom all year round. Yellow leaves and withered stems may be a sign of serious fungi. It turns out that garlic is the secret ingredient that works great as a fertilizer for orchids. It contains many minerals such as phosphorus, iron, and potassium. It also has antifungal and antibacterial properties, acting as a protective shield against insects and mites. Take 3 cloves of garlic and crush them. Then, pour a liter of water and leave it overnight. The next day, pour the mixture into the flower pot. After 30 minutes, pour off the excess fertilizer. Garlic water can also be poured into a sprayer and used to mist the leaves. The scent of garlic and its antifungal properties protect the plant from diseases and pests. For busy individuals, there's also a simple recipe with granulated garlic. Just add a teaspoon of the spice to a liter of water, then mix the solution and water your plants with it. And that's it. Garlic infusions serve not only as protection, but also support growth and blooming. Garlic acts as a nourishing agent. It contains active substances and nutrients. Simply fertilize the orchids with it at least once every 2 weeks to make them bloom again. It's the only fertilizer I use for my orchids. They literally bend under the weight of the flowers.